Alright, let's begin. This is Donruss Soccer 1819. Initially very excited about this product, but after looking at the autographs that you will usually hit per box, turns out to be a product I would like to say flatters to deceive. Simply because there's just lots and lots of mid-tier player autographs as well as USA ladies. No offense to the USA ladies national team, but not really a fan. Obviously, the more European-based player autos, the better. A massive 360 cards in a box. 30 cards per pack, 12 packs altogether. So let's hope for a good one, although I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna get really top-end autographs. So this is, I think, the optic set, comparable to what you will see in the basketball equivalent. Then you have your press-proof die cuts. It's gonna be a long and tedious process of sorting out the cards later into base and inserts. I'm pretty sure that 3 boxes or less would be more than enough for me to complete the base set, but we'll see. Okay, first autograph is already a very disappointing one. We've gotten loads of his autographs in in Aficionado. Yes, there will be heaps and heaps of Mexican player autos as well, along with your US autos. Which is why I'm a little disappointed with this product already. It's like a dumping ground for US and Mexican player autos. There you go, not numbered, Giovanni Dos Santos. But the optic cards do have a really nice feel to it. So give credit when credit's due. I have a very icky feeling that the next auto hit should be a Road to France US ladies auto, but we'll see. Hope to be proven wrong. Low number to 25. This is the canvas insert that you will see in the 2016 version of Donruss as well. Let's try to speed things up. I have like 9 minutes of video footage left. Is this the next autograph? Yes, it is. There you go, US player, JB. New addition to the autograph collection, but like I say, mid-tier player autograph. So if you're a big USA men's national team fan, or the ladies team for that matter, or even if it's the Mexican men's national team, this is the product to hit. You know, to complement your US and Mexican national team player collection in terms of autographs. But otherwise, if you're not a big fan of both teams, you're better off breaking Topps Finest. Or what else? Select Soccer. Or if you have a bigger appetite, Panini Treble. Looking forward to breaking Panini Treble in the near future as well. Nothing else to look forward to already, I guess. There's some numbered cards here and there, but unless it's a one of one, otherwise it's not really all so fantastic. But the optics are really nice. It'd be very cool to complete a set. 1 of 10. Mauro Riccardi. I guess that's the consolation prize right there. Since I'm getting that 1 of 10, I guess I'm not getting the 1 of 1. Chain reaction. Nice metallic feel to the whole card right here. Right. You get a fair share of press proofs, rated rookies, colored parallels, lots and lots of variety. What you usually expect from a Donruss product. But the distribution is a little confusing because you get a good mix of club teams and international teams. So if you're into buying spots for team breaks, player breaks, configuration can get a little confusing. Or you could be just like me, just breaking boxes for fun. Oh, what is this? Rated rookie, should be a colored parallel. No, it's numbered to 50. So it's a numbered version. Okay, last 3 packs. I have 2 minutes left. Lots and lots of United States players. Autos or non-autos. You know what, most likely I'll just be getting 1 or 2 more boxes just to complete the base set. But once I'm done with the base set, I think that is it. Not really looking forward to breaking further boxes. Because for a product that's priced at 100 US or more, the autograph hits are not really that tantalizing. Topps Finest, in my opinion, offers better value for money with about the same configuration. Alright, so that is basically it. Yeah. There's simply no chance that they'll pack wrongly and have 3 autos in the box. Okay, so that is all for my first review of the Donruss Soccer 18-19 product. Very nice optic sets, but autographs wise, it's not really worth the trouble, honestly. So I'll see you again next time. Alright, cheers and goodbye.